Today we're diving into the world of generators, the unsung heroes quietly ensuring power continuity in our homes and businesses. Generators come in various forms, each suited to different needs. From portable units that light up remote construction sites to standby generators that kick in automatically during power outages, the options are vast. For many, the standby generator is a top choice, especially models powered by natural gas or propane. These generators are not only cleaner and quieter, but also perfect for urban environments where noise and space are big considerations. Keeping your generator ready at all times is crucial. That's why regular maintenance by our certified factory-trained technicians at Foster Plumbing and Heating cannot be overstated. Our comprehensive 34-point generator maintenance covers everything from location safety and electrical connections to fuel systems and battery maintenance. We even perform a load test to ensure your system is ready to go when you need it most. Most homes are well served by a 20 to 26 kilowatt standby generator, perfectly sized to manage the essentials during an outage. Remember, well-maintained generators equal peace of mind. Don't wait for the next power outage to find out your generator is not ready. Contact Foster Plumbing and Heating today to keep your unit in excellent condition. Need a generator? We're here to help you find the perfect solution. Let's keep your power steady and reliable, no matter what's ahead.